Hi students, as you know, already we solved the first question of exercise 3.1. Today we will solve the next problems of this exercise 3.1. The second question is, find the degree measures corresponding to the following radian measures. Use pi is equals to 22/7. And the sub questions are 11/16, -4, 5π/3 and 7π/6. Now we will solve these problems one by one. The solution for the first problem is, we know that 1 radian is equals to 180/pi degree. Now we have to calculate for 11/16 radian. 11/16 radian is equals to 11 into 180 whole divided by 16 into pi degree. On simplifying, we will get 11 into 45 whole divided by 4 into pi degree. Again, we have to substitute in place of pi as 22/7. Then we will get it as 11 into 45 into 7 whole divided by 4 into 22, because when we substitute pi as 22/7, the denominator of denominator becomes the numerator. So the 7 comes to numerator. Now our work is to simplify this. We will get 315 divided by 8 degree. Again, simplify this. You will get in terms of fraction, that is 39.375 degree. This can be written as 39 degree plus 0.75 degree. Now our work is to convert this fraction in the form of minutes and seconds. And we know that 1 degree is equals to 60 minutes. Then for 0.75 degree, which is equals to 0.75 into 60 minutes. So this can be written as 39 degree plus 0.75 into 60 minutes. You will get 39 degree plus 22.5 minutes. Again, this 22.5 minute can be written as 22 minutes plus 0.5 minutes. Again, convert this 0.5 minutes in the form of seconds. We know that 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. Then the value for 0.5 minutes is equals to 0.5 into 60 seconds. So we will get equals to 39 degree plus 22 minutes plus 0.5 into 60 seconds. On simplifying this, you will get 11/16 radian is equals to 39 degree plus 22 minutes plus 30 seconds. What value for 11/16 degree is equals to 39 degree, 22 minutes and 30 seconds, which is the required answer. Now the solution for the second problem is, we know that 1 radian is equals to 180 by pi degree. Now we have to calculate for minus 4 radian, which is equals to minus 4 into 180 by pi degree. Here we have to substitute in place of pi as 22 by 7. When we substitute 22 by 7 in the denominator, then the 7 is in denominator of denominators, and we know that denominator of denominator becomes numerator. Then we get it as equals to minus 4 into 180 into 7 whole divided by 22 degree. On simplifying this, you will get is equals to minus 2520 whole divided by 11 degree. On simplifying this, you will get minus 229.090909 degree. This can be written as minus 229 degree plus 0.090909 degree. This fraction can be converted in the form of minutes and in seconds, which is equals to minus 229 degree plus 0.090909 into 60 minutes, because 1 degree is equals to 60 minutes. Then the value for 0.090909 degree is equals to 0.090909 into 60, which is equals to, on simplifying this, you will get minus 229 degree plus 5.4545 minutes, and this can be written as minus 229 degree as it is plus 5 minutes plus 0.4545 minutes. And we know that 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. Then the value for 0.4545 minutes is equals to 0.4545 into 60 seconds. On simplifying this, you will get minus 229 degree plus 5 minutes plus 27 seconds. Hence, the required value for minus 4 radian is equals to minus 229 degree, 5 minutes and 27 seconds, which is the required answer. Now, the solution for third problem is, we know that 1 radian is equals to 180 by pi degree. Now, we have to calculate for 5 pi by 3 radian, which is equals to 5 pi into 180 whole divided by 3 into pi degree. Again, the numerator pi and denominator pi get cancelled, and on simplifying you will get 300 degree. Hence, the required value for 5 pi by 3 radian is equals to 300 degree, which is the required answer. Now, the solution for fourth problem is, we know that 1 radian is equals to 180 by pi degree. Now, we have to calculate for 7 pi by 6 radian, which is equals to 7 into pi into 180 whole divided by 6 into pi degree. Again, the numerator pi and denominator pi get cancelled. On simplifying this, you will get 210 degree. Hence, the required value for 7 pi by 6 radian is equals to 210 degree, which is the required answer. Thank you. Next class we will solve the remaining questions.